Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Android 8.0 Oreo head unit, special head unit for Mazda CX-7 27 to 2015 years. Okay, unbox review. Let me open the box. You can check. Okay. Open the box. And check the header unit and okay. Okay, this is special harness for Mazda. Okay. And this radio antenna. Okay. The radio connector connect Belsee head unit. This is K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. Okay, this connector you had to connect CAN-bus box. This CAN-bus box Mazda CX-7. You can connect. Make sure connected is well. Okay. Harness remote control. GPS antenna. External microphone. USB cable to USB and the external microphone. This connector connects back of head unit. Audio cable. Okay. Video cable. Camera in cable. Okay. Let me show the head unit. You can check the head unit. side. Okay, let me open the head unit. This driver agent. Okay. This have DVD. This is DVD slot. It's microphone. Microphone. It's IR remote DVD slot, and you please take the two screw. Take the two screw. Two screw, take out. Okay. GPS, Wi-Fi antenna, radio, connect harness. Okay. Let me power. You can check the button lights we are on. It shows navigation, Android 8.0 Oreo. You can take out this screen protector. Okay, this is UI. You can install APK installer. Install wallpaper. Okay, it's already installed. Let me check the settings. You can check the about motion. You can check model PX5 rack chip Octa core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay, it shows the Oreo. And let me check language. It's built in so many languages. You can select it here. Okay, it's built-in Wi-Fi. Built-in Wi-Fi. and you can change the button, find the car elements, choose red, blue, you can adjust it. Okay, it's GPS SD card, volume button. Okay, and you also can change the car settings, change the logo from car, factory setting, put password 126, car logo, choose the Mazda. Okay, apply, then exit. The head unit will be rebooted. It's power off. Please take out the 2 screws on top of head unit. Okay, it shows a logo. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.